Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Red Jacket Daily. It's your girl T, and I am back with another not so makeup tutorial. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. You see that red subscribe button at the bottom of this video? Go ahead and mash that button right now. If you love fashion related topics, you love beauty related topics, this is the channel for you. As you all seen from the video title, I will be demoing the new Fenty Beauty bronzer. So if you're interested in how I achieve this look, go ahead and stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Okay guys, so I zoomed you guys in pretty tight and close knit. I am going to do something totally different than I usually do with my makeup routine. If you're familiar with my channel, you know that I usually do base, brows, and etc., right? So I recently did my brows first before my base, and I noticed how just better my brows looked. I tried this new routine after watching Alyssa Ashley's video when she did the most popular way to install your makeup. So I'm going to do my brows first, but before that I am going to actually spritz my face with my Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe herbs and rose water. I'm going to spray my face first with that. Just a couple quick little spritz, get my neck and all that good stuff. Let that dry. I just recently purchased this product. I really love it. I love how like it literally just instantly, as soon as you spray your face, it hydrates your skin immediately. They have two other facial sprays. I'll put those in the description bar below. I've been using this facial spray for about a couple days now, almost a week, and I really do love it. Like, it's actually a part of my skincare routine, like at night when I wash and cleanse my face, and in the morning when I wash and cleanse my face. First, before I start rambling, I'm going to get into my primer. I am first going to prime my face with the Fenty Beauty ProFilt'r primer. Just rub that in. Priming is very important. Primer is important because it protects your skin and creates that barrier between your skin and your makeup. They have primers specifically for whatever type of skincare concerns you have. So I would definitely recommend investing in a good primer and priming before you do your makeup. Next, I'm going to use the Ole Henriksen's Banana Brightening Primer. I love this primer. I've actually used it without makeup. I've used it in my skincare routine and I loved it. It definitely does brighten your skin. It brightens your makeup. It just makes everything, your whole look just come together. It makes everything brighter. It smells really good. Like, it smells like kind of like an orange. I'm gonna go ahead and get into these brows. I am using my Anastasia brow wiz. As you guys already know, nothing has changed here. If you guys see me looking down, it's because I have my mirror. It's right in front of me. But I'm gonna go ahead and start with these brows, and I'll come back on camera when I'm done. As you can see, I did do my brows off camera. I do apologize for the difference in the lighting, and right now I am feeding my daughter. So I probably am about to be known as the breastfeeding makeup mom. So next, I am going to start with my concealer. I am using the Fenty Beauty ProFilt'r concealer. It is in the shade 430. Next, I am going to get into my foundation. Fenty Beauty ProFilt'r Soft Matte Long Wearing Foundation. This is also in the color 430. I'm using my E.L.F foundation brush just to go ahead and get a little bit of this foundation on my face. I am back. And I do apologize about the lighting. And if the lighting is off, I probably should have had my lighting set up before I started this video, but I wanted to use some natural lighting, and then it started to get dark. Then my daughter got hungry, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue on with this tutorial. Now that my base is on, my concealer is on, I'm going to just brighten my under eye just a little bit. I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I am using the shade Fawn. Since this look is a festival look, I'm going to just brighten underneath my under eye, just a tad. My under eye is brightened and I am looking ravishing. So now I'm going to start with my eyeshadow. Since this is a festival music. Alright guys. My daughter wanted to put her 2 cents in the video, let you guys know that she's here. She's in the background. Now that my eyelids are set and primed, I am going to start with my eyeshadow. I'm going to start with my E.L.F. eyeshadow palette. Scratch all that. I'm going to start with my Profusion Infatuation palette. I am going to start with a dark base and I'm going to blend up lighter. That's the look that I'm going to go for. I am back again. So I am going to start with Bravo. I was going to go for Outspoken, but I think I'm going to go with Bravo instead. Go ahead and put that on the base of my eyelid, cause I'm all about that base, no trouble. You like that? And I actually think I am going to use some of that Bossy, cause I'm bossy. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and get this Bossy swept into the inner crease of my eyelid. So I'm going to use this light color right here and I'm going to put it underneath my brow bone. I'm going to go ahead and use my MAC, the number 2021 3SE. I said before in my previous video, you might not be able to find this exact brush because this is a very, very old brush. She said she's not going to sleep. She's going to be in this video, whether you guys like it or not, okay? All right, so now that I have my eyeshadow looking nice, my eyeshadow is blended, it's looking the way that I want it to look, I am going to start with my lashes. I am using the E.L.F. lashes. These are the Luxe Lash Kit Winged and Bold multi-dimensional lashes for a full volume in length. Whew. That was a mouthful. So while my lash glue dries, I am going to put on some mascara. I'm going to use my Covergirl Lash Blast Volume Waterproof Mascara. My lashes are on. I am going to apply some mascara to my lashes just so I can blend the false lashes with my natural lashes. I am next going to put on my setting powder. I am using the Fenty Beauty ProFilt'r Instant Retouch Setting Powder. This is in the shade Coffee. Now that my setting powder is on and everything is looking flawless, I am going to start with the bronzer. I'm going to finally start with why you guys are here. The purpose of a bronzer is to give your face a more warmth, sun-kissed look. A bronzer is not like a blush. The purpose of a bronzer is to make you look sun-kissed, like you just came back from Turks and Caicos. You know, you just went on a nice vacation and you were sunbathing. She came out with 7 shades, I believe. I got the darkest shade. Here's what it looks like, first off. Very beautiful. I got the shade Mocha Mami. Open this up for you guys. This is what it looks like. I'll go ahead and show you guys that. Look at that. Nice, right? It has a mirror. For this, I'm going to use my angled blush brush. Fenty does have a brush that goes specifically with the bronzer. It's the cheek hugging brush. I will be getting that, but I haven't got it yet. I'm a new mom, guys. Like, budget is tight, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and just dab my brush into it. I'm not gonna use too much. I'm gonna dab on the side, get that excess off, lightly put some on my cheek. You guys can see that, but it looks really good already. When it comes to this product, you do not want to just dip into the product, put on your face. You want to just lightly dab the product onto your brush. You don't want to press, and you just want to press it lightly into your hairline. And the reason why you want to put it into your hairline is because you're supposed to look sun-kissed. So like when the sun naturally hits you, it hits you at certain points of your face. It hits you in the middle, and it makes the outside of your perimeter of your face look bronze. That's the purpose of this product. I don't know if you guys can see this product and how it's starting to make my face look more bronzer. What I will say is this. If you are darker complected like I am, you might be a couple shades darker than me. If you're more on the lower end of the 400 shades, this product may look red on you because it does have a red undertone. So please be aware that if you are on the darker spectrum of the 400 range, this product probably will kind of look like a blush on you. Probably won't give you the same sun-kissed look that it would give me or someone lighter than me or someone like Alyssa Ashley or someone like a Rihanna. So just be advised, you know, if you are going to get this product and you're looking for a sun-kissed glow like how it looked on Rihanna, it may not look like that on you. But this is Fenty's first launch with the bronzer. I'm pretty sure she's going to have some more deeper shades that she comes out with, like she always does. So next I am going to get into my highlighter. I am using my Artisan color baked bronzer. It is in the color Gingersnap. Put a little bit of this highlighter on my cheeks. I'm going to pop a little bit of color in my lower lash line. And now I am going to do my lips. Line my lips with this NYX Auto Lip Liner. I got this at the beauty supply store, and I happened to just stumble over to the makeup, but it's kind of blending in with my lips. Finish out this look. I'm going to use the NYX Matte Silky Stick. This is what it looks like in the shade Irish Coffee. See how I feel about it? Not bad. I am going to pop some gloss on top. I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade FentyGlow, the original shade. I'm very disappointed in that lip liner I got. I need to get a darker shade. If you guys could let me know your favorite lip liner in the comment section below, I will demo that in one of my next videos. To finish off this look, I'm going to use my Mario Badescu facial spray. I'm going to go ahead and spritz my face just a little bit. Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this one, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Turn on your alerts so anytime that I do upload any videos, you are the first to know. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I see you guys in my next video.